Hey guys, Paul Lloyd here. Welcome to my tutorial for how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In this tutorial we're going to be going over a few steps. One of them is to get all the white squares there to make a daisy. The next one is to get the white squares there to make a cross. Once we've got the cross, we're going to get the first layer. Once we've got the first layer in, we're going to get these edge pieces that make the second layer. Once we've done the second layer, we are then going to get a yellow cross there. Once we've done that, we're going to end up with 4 corners left to do. So we're going to get the yellow pieces in the right place. We're going to turn it over, we're going to orient the yellow pieces into the right place, and then once we've done that, we're going to get these 4 pieces in the right place. So stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button if you're into Rubik's Cubes, puzzles, anything like that, and let's dive into it. So the first step, we need to get 4 white pieces there. Now we've already got one. Now the second one is there. That's nice and easy, we can just twist. We've got 2 more to get. So there's one there. So again, we can just twist, but we need to rotate that piece and then twist. Now the 4th piece is there, which is again really easy. Rotate the top and twist. Now we've got the 4 pieces in there, the daisy as it's called. Now we need to translate those pieces onto the white side. So if you look at the Rubik's Cube, we've got white, blue, red, orange, yellow and green, and those faces do not move. So what we need to do is get that piece to there, and to do that we make sure that we're on the red face and then twist, and now it's in the right place. Now we repeat that. We've got the blue face there and we twist. We've got the orange face there. Luckily enough they've all lined up, but if not, if for example that was there, then you can just rotate that so it's on the green face and then twist. Now you've got your 4 white pieces in the cross, and each white piece is in the right place in relation to the piece there. Okay, now the next job, we need to get the 4 white corners in. Now let's find that piece. So that is white, green and orange. So we rotate that. White, green and orange will go in that corner piece there. Now to do this, we use a algorithm that changes that piece from there to there, and it is right hand side clockwise, top clockwise, right hand side anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise. Now you can see that the piece has been placed in there and it's the right way up. Now the next piece, we go for that, the green, the red and the white is there, and we want to put it there. So we do the exact same thing, clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, and you can see that it's been put into the place but it's rotated wrong. So we can just repeat that step. You can see that it's moved back up to the top. You repeat it again and it's gone back into the bottom in the right way. And the more times that you do that, it'll just rotate the piece, so you'll have the white face there, there and then there. Now the next piece is in the wrong place, so we need to take that out. And the way that we do that is the same with the algorithm, so clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, and it's moved it from there to there. We can then rotate the piece, keep it in the top right position, and we want to swap it into there. So we go right hand side clockwise, top clockwise, right hand side anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, and you can see that it's placed the piece from there to there. Now what we're going to do is just move the top so that the white piece is out of the way, and then we just do the algorithm again. It moves it up the top. We do the algorithm again and it puts it in the right place. Now we've nearly done, we've just got one more to do. So we do that algorithm once more. You can see it's in the right place but not in the right rotation. Do it again and you can see that it's been taken out and put there. You can see that it's been put back in the right place but in the wrong orientation. Moved again, and there you go. Now there is a really quicker way of doing that, but we're not going for speed on this one, we're just going for a tutorial on how to do it. So now we've got the white face and we've got the first layer done. Simple. So moving on to the next section, we need to get these edge pieces in. Now to do that, you can see we've got a blue and a red which should go there. So match it up with the face that it needs to be on, turn it away, turn the top away, and you do the right algorithm, rotate the cube, and then you do the left algorithm, and you can see that the face has been put in. Now the left algorithm is the opposite of the right, and we'll go over that once more with the next one. So we've got the piece that wants to go into there, so we've got it on the orange face, so we move it away from the position it wants to go, because it wants to go there. We do the right algorithm, so it's clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. We rotate, and then it's anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, clockwise. They'll be on the screen, so don't worry about remembering them. Next one, we've got a green and an orange, so let's find the green face, which is there. Now that piece wants to go onto the orange side, so it wants to go there. Move it away. Do the right algorithm, rotate, do the left algorithm. There we go. Now we've got one more piece to put in, which is that green and red. So we rotate it to the green. Now we want to move it to the left, so we rotate the top to the right, and then we do the left algorithm, which is anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, clockwise, rotate to the right, and there we go. 2 layers done. So now we need to get a yellow cross there, and you'll either end up in a position where you've got a line, you've got an L, or you've just got a dot. Now the easiest way that I found to do it is turn the front one clockwise, do the left algorithm, and move it back. Now you'll notice that we have gone backwards a bit there, but that's not a problem, so you can do it again and move it back, and that gives you an L. Now once you've got the L, turn 2 faces and you do it again, and now you've got the cross. So I'm not teaching you the quickest way to do it, I'm just teaching you the easiest way to remember. So turn 1 face, do the right algorithm, turn the face back. That'll give you an L, and then you turn 2 faces. If you've got the L, turn 2 faces. Always make sure that the L is pointing in the bottom right hand corner, like that. Next section we've got to do is we've got to get these 4 corner pieces in the right place. So we need to orient it so that we've got, you can see that that's in the right place, that is in the right place, that is not in the right place because that should be red, blue and yellow, and that should be red, green and yellow. So those 2 pieces need swapping. Now the way to do that is we do this right algorithm 3 times. Now we turn the whole cube clockwise, and then we do the left algorithm 3 times. Now once we've done that, if we then orient it, we've got the red, blue, yellow there, green, red and yellow there, orange, green and yellow there, and orange, blue and yellow there. So we've got those in the right position, we've got the cross. The next piece, the next section is to get these yellow pieces facing onto the yellow face, and to do that we turn the whole cube over, so we're facing the yellow side up, the white side up. So you can see there that we've got 3 pieces that need changing. So we start out with the piece that needs changing in the bottom right corner, and we do the right algorithm. Now you've got to make sure that you do these in full goes, don't stop halfway through a move. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that it takes 4 moves. Still not in the right place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still not in the right place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still not in the right place. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see that it's in the right place, but you still need to do 4. That's it. Now once you've done that, make sure you keep this orange face towards you. And rotate the bottom until you've loaded another wrong piece in the bottom right hand corner. And then continue with your right algorithm. Now you can see there, after another full set of algorithms, full set of moves, you can see that the yellow is in the bottom, in the right place there. So then we can load another one into that bottom right hand corner. You can see that I've always kept my thumb there on the orange, so the orange face is always facing me. And then we do the algorithm again. And there we go. We've got all 4 corners facing the right way. Now we can move the cube. We can get it so that we've matched up all the corners into the right place. So now we've got to swap those 2 pieces, and we've got to swap those 2 pieces. So this is the final step. So you may be in a situation where you've got one full face done, and if you have, then great. If not, then you've got this situation. So what we need to do is do the right algorithm once, left algorithm once, and you should have a T at the top. And then you do the right algorithm 5 times. And you should have 6 yellows on the side there. And then you do the left algorithm 5 times. Okay, and now that you've done that, you should have one face completely done. Now that needs to go there, that needs to go there, and that needs to go there. So in the previous step you might have been in this position, and if you were, keep the done face towards you, and then do the same again. Right algorithm once, left algorithm once, right algorithm 5 times, left algorithm 5 times. So let's do that now. And there you go. So after once and once, you've got the T. Now you do the right algorithm 5 times. And there you go, you've got your 6 on the side there. Now we do the left algorithm 5 times. There you go. So we're nearly there. This is moving those pieces into different positions. So the next time that we do it, that'll move to there, that will move to there, and that will move to there, and it'll be a solved cube. So again, the face that's done towards you, and then we do it again. You've got your T after the 1 and the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the left algorithm. My cube's getting a bit worn. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Leave a comment down below if you're stuck on any section. I'll happily respond. It's Paul Lloyd 10 on Twitter. If you want to get in touch, show me your times as well. There we go, guys. Hit the subscribe button. You know the drill. We'll see you again soon. Bye bye.